Okay, I would like to start with a disclaimer that these might not be right, but these are my best shot. Okay, so we have a centripetal force acting on, first of all, on my pin so I can draw on the thing. As a centripetal force, so that is a center-seeking force, centripetal, center-seeking. And so the force is going to be equal to m times the centripetal acceleration. And centripetal acceleration is v squared over r. R is the radius of that circle. Velocity is how fast the outside of the circle is going. So how can we get this to decrease? Okay, well, if we increase the radius, we're dividing by a bigger number. I think that would decrease that. So if you divided by 1,000 instead of by 1, like this number would go down. And to keep your equal sign true, your force would also go down. So I like 1, but let's look at all the others. What if we increase the mass? Well, if you increase the mass, that increases this thing. So if we increase the mass, now we have to increase the centripetal force to keep our equal sign true. So that's not true. That's like if you multiply one side by 2, you have to multiply the other side by 2. What if we change the direction? Do y'all see direction in this formula? No, that's nonsense. What if we increase the speed? Well, if we increase the speed, we're definitely going to increase the centripetal force. So that's not the right answer. So the correct answer is 1. The radius of the path is increased.